This is a very short tutorial, and it's done to complete the general tab settings tutorial. The related link is above and down below in the description. In all the tutorials, I show you the Reaper versions for Windows. Daniele Pistocchi, a moderator of the Italian group of Reaper, Calcos Reaper Italia, pointed out to me that there are differences between the Windows and the macOS X versions. It means that they are depending on the operating system. In the tab General that you see here next to the one of OS X, the options are slightly different. In the OS X version, there is rounded macOS buttons, which enables you to view the buttons with typical Mac rounding corners, completely absent in Windows, at least in the 10. As in the 11th, the buttons will be rounded by default, as well as Auto Hide Dock in full screen mode, which on Mac allows you to hide the dock when the DAW is full screen. Or the construction of the graphical interface with retina features in Allow Retina Drawing on User Interface. Another feature present in Mac version is the adjustment of the mouse behavior in Throttle mouse events, which under Windows is left to the operating system driver or to the one supplied with the mouse itself. The options present in Linux are very different. Here you see Reaper running on Ubuntu. Notice how many fewer options in the same window for the environment settings. In conclusion, take into account that in each tutorial there may be slight differences in the environment settings among the various operating systems, the for Mac, Windows and Linux. Not having a Mac and not being a Mac guy, no, not him, he's MacGyver, I can't show you, much less illustrate their behavior. But if you should notice them, write it below in the comments. They can be useful to other users who use Mac or Linux, and don't forget to support the channel by becoming patrons or by paying me a drink. For both, the links are here down below in the description. That's it for the moment. Thanks for watching.